Hi and welcome to Thermo Products training series on the ABC setup rule. Modern furnaces are more efficient than ever. They're more precise, more advanced, and designed to deliver exceptional comfort. But there's a catch. They're also far less forgiving. And yet, in the field, installations don't always reflect that reality. Too often, setup steps get skipped. Technicians jump straight to combustion. Airflow gets assumed instead of verified. System conditions get overlooked. And when that happens, problems show up later. Odors, callbacks, inconsistent performance, and the all-too-familiar situation. There's nothing wrong with the equipment. But in most of these cases, the equipment isn't the problem. It's the setup. Most furnace issues are not equipment failures. They are setup problems. And the good news is, setup problems are preventable. That's where the ABC setup rule comes in. Every installation and service call should follow the same simple sequence. A. Airflow. B. Balance. C. Combustion. Simple, repeatable, reliable. But the order is critical, because if you get the order wrong, you can easily misread the system and fix the wrong thing. This sequence is intentional. The system has to be correct before combustion is evaluated. If you start in the wrong place, your readings can be misleading. Your adjustments won't solve the real issue, and you end up chasing your tail. That's why ABC always starts with airflow. The first step is always airflow. The goal here is simple. Make sure the system can move heat properly. You're checking static pressure, blower setup, temperature rise. Because airflow drives heat transfer, it determines how efficiently the furnace delivers comfort, and it impacts everything downstream. Here's the key point. If airflow is wrong, your system performance and diagnostics become unreliable. You don't fix combustion first. You don't balance the system first. You start with airflow every time. Once airflow is correct, you move to balance. The goal here is to make sure the furnace is not fighting the environment it's installed in. You're checking draft stability, combustion air, room pressure conditions. Because the house is part of the system, pressure imbalances, restricted combustion air, or draft issues can create real performance problems, even when the furnace itself is operating correctly. Key point. The system doesn't run alone, it runs inside the house. So if the house is unbalanced, the system will be too. Only after airflow and balance are confirmed do you move to combustion. Now you're evaluating burner performance with confidence. You're checking smoke with oil systems, CO, CO2, and O2 combustion readings, and stack temperature. And this is critical. At this point, the system is stable. Your readings are meaningful. Your adjustments are accurate. Key point. Combustion confirms system performance. It doesn't diagnose system setup problems. The ABC setup rule gives you a simple, repeatable structure for every system you touch. But the real value comes from understanding each step in detail and knowing exactly how to verify it in the field using the tools available to you. In the next videos, we'll break this down further. We'll start with airflow, where we'll show how to properly evaluate static pressure, blower setup, and temperature rise using Thermo Products specifications and airflow charts. Then we'll move into balance, where we'll explore how the home environment, combustion air, and pressure conditions impact system performance, and how to identify and correct those issues. Finally, we'll cover combustion, where we'll review how to properly take readings, interpret results, and confirm stable burner operation once the system has been correctly set up. Each step builds on the last. And when followed in order, the ABC setup rule becomes a powerful tool for delivering consistent, reliable, and efficient system performance every time.